opportunities over the month of October. We've discussed with you in detail on the week ahead where we have continued to capitalize on this range-bound price action. In fact, getting in and out of gold and platinum 6 times in the latest week, banking over 1,000 points profit with our clients, and we're continuing to see this range-bound price action with the metals right now, which ultimately tends to lead to explosive moves in the market. On Monday, we saw stock markets break down to 7-week lows. Gold, fairly robust at the moment between that 1,890 to 1,900 handle. We've continued to see strong support coming in at that zone, and also for silver around $24 per ounce. From a very simplistic point of view, what I would look out for off the back of the US election result is going to be 3 different scenarios. One, of course, is that Joe Biden wins. The other is that Donald Trump wins, but we've also got the potential for this to be very close and therefore contested by Donald Trump, who's already stated he would take it to the Supreme Court. And in that scenario, this is where markets will be very uncertain. That would be unprecedented if we were to see that to happen. And as a result, that would create a lot of uncertainty in the markets where you see safe havens get bid, such as the dollar, such as gold. On a Donald Trump win, there would likely be more of the status quo, particularly with the precious metals here. I wouldn't expect a big breakout off the back of a Donald Trump win. We saw it back in 2016 where gold prices, in fact, they sold off after Donald Trump won the US election. I would anticipate a consolidation to pressure to the downside if Donald Trump was to win. However, if Joe Biden wins, that's where I would expect a dollar sell-off and a breakout on the metals here, especially with the prospect of pushing through stimulus faster than Donald Trump would be able to do so, and also a larger stimulus package as well. So those are the main scenarios that we're looking at as we lead into the US election next week. As we mentioned before, this month has already been very profitable. We've been in and out of the markets multiple times, in and out of gold and platinum just 6 times in the latest week. That's generated over 1,000 points profit. And in these markets, if you are looking to generate income fast, these are the perfect environment when you have this range-bound price action leading into a major event that's going to set the scene here for the rest of the year and moving into Q1. We've mentioned it previously, but the commodity markets are setting up for some massive moves here, particularly from a seasonal point of view at the end of this year and then moving into the first quarter of 2021. You definitely do not want to miss out.